Hi, I'm Vicky. I'll tell you a story about how a family is made. In every family story, a miss meets a mister. Wait, no. A mister meets a miss? Never mind. They walk together, go to the movies, and to dinner. They fall in love and one day realize they want to be together forever. Then they have a wedding and become a husband and wife. From this great love and their warm hugs, a child comes to be. It grows in mom's tongue, which gets bigger and bigger. One day, the woman decides, I can't do this anymore. I look like a balloon. Then the husband takes her to the hospital and waits in patience until they tell him, congratulations, you've become a dad. From that day on, husband and wife are called mom and dad. And that's how a family is made. But not all families come about in the same way. My family is special. My parents also met and fell in love. They got married and enjoyed the moments they spent together in their home. But one day, Mom felt something was missing. She soon figured out what and said, Dad, it's time we became parents. But they just couldn't find me anywhere to put me in Mom's tummy to grow. Mom said, our child must have already been born and is waiting for us. They got ready and started to look for me. They knew it would be a bit tough in the big city. They looked for me in the parks and in the playgrounds. But all the children they found already had their parents. Where else could we go look for our child? Oh, if you only knew all the places they looked for me. We need to find a place where children with no parents live. Dad quickly found all the houses like that in our town. They told them what they had to do. It wasn't so easy. They filled in a pile of papers and applications and sent them for months. And waited and waited and waited. They didn't know it was going to be so hard to find their own child. And they began to lose hope. And then one day, Good day, madame. We have found your little girl. There was no end to their happiness. They got especially ready for our meeting and rushed off to see me. They have found me. At last. And I at last got a family of my own. We often look at our family tree. Grandpa says that in every apple, a wish came true. Faith got confirmation, and love got a name. Of all the apples, only mine is red. After a long time of looking and waiting, it received a special grace. In my family, they often call me the red apple, and in the language of love, that means we love you with all our hearts.